Today we're looking at Polaroid's One Step instant camera. Founded in 1937, Polaroid eventually fell on hard times and stopped making film in 2009. Another company, Impossible Project, took up the mantle of making film for cameras like this one. Polaroid was acquired by an investor who was also the largest shareholder of Impossible Project, bringing both companies together. Now, let's examine this camera. It's an original model from either the late 70s or early 80s and hasn't been used in decades. Today we're going to see if it still works. First, to operate the camera, we lift the top up. This switch here is for selecting distance to subject. This one here is for exposure. To take a picture, you press here to use with flash, and here to take one without. This button here is for reloading film. You get 8 shots per package of film. Price for film was less than $10 before they stopped. Now, the price is around $20. Vintage Polaroids like this and newly built ones are affordable. Does it still work? Let's find out! It does! Time to shake it like a Polaroid. Actually, we don't need to shake it. Just put it in a dark place and check in 10 minutes. Let's take some more. Cool, these are really fun. This one's a little dark, but otherwise they're super fun and retro. Like, look at how cool the flowers look. I really like Polaroids. I think they're a lot of fun. Should you buy a Polaroid camera? Modern cameras are better and you can print them out whenever you need them. Polaroid's ability to provide instant results made them special. Today they're popular because it's retro. The pictures are very nostalgic in appearance, and it's fun taking pictures with instant cameras. If you can afford the cost of film for all the retro fun you're going to have, then yes, buy a Polaroid.